right, this is cream soda. Today, we are putting all of that on here. Finishing up the suspension from Detroit Speed. That's what we're doing. So let's get to work. We gotta take this C-notch off first.
Attempt to install a Detroit Speed quadrillink rear suspension.
Here, hold this. Why don't you just get one of those shop chairs? Because this will go 10 times quicker doing it like this.
We'll go 10 times quicker.
What?
Shut up and turn the ball.
Last night, Blake hit a fly ball. I told him after the game, I was so mad at him because he crashed out on the umpire too. He had a rough game. He wound up hitting a walk-off that won the game for us. We was down 7-0. We was getting our beat. It was 7-0 going into the bottom of the final inning. We hadn't done shit all night long. And they just decided, hey, we're here, we might as well play. We wound up winning the game. Blake hit the walk-off, but his first at-bat, he hits a long fly ball to center field. Off the bat, I was like, oh, that's good, that's good. And the kid catches it, slides in on his knees and catches it like off a movie. And I'm coaching first base and Blake comes through and he's like, what the fuck? I was like, bro, if there would have been a first base umpire, you would have been ejected. That! Dang! Ah!
Everybody wants to be a mechanic till it's time to do mechanic stuff.
It hurts.
You're like, oh.
See where I hit it?
It's like I can't move my hands 90% of the time.
I'm a quick learner when it hurts. If it don't hurt, I'm not a quick learner.
Yeah.
When I was young, I was a wee little man, 4 or 5 years old. People be like, what do you want to be when you grow up? I'd be like a Duke boy. I wanted to be a Duke boy. Now I'm cooler. Not really. Oh, those are cute little guns. Nipples, yeah. I've got nipples. Can you milk me? Hey, look at that. Look at that thing. You ready for some ASMR? You ready for this? I have beat the hell out of myself this morning. Will you please just hand me the damn air hose? I said please. All right, so today we're finally tackling the C-notch install on cream soda. You know, the S10 that I got anyways, you get it. Now, if you don't know, the whole point of a C-notch is to give the rear end more clearance. Basically letting the truck sit lower without the frame smashing into the axle every time we hit a bump and my spine compressing.
There's only like 9-10 more rivets you gotta cut off. So that's fun. And then, what was there, 4, 8, so 9 more. Stuff's fun.
Today is rivet day in the Lot Lizard garage.
This one right here.
You're just making me angry by staying there right now.
This one right here.
Yeah.
This one. Not the round one, but the flat one.
Okay.
And then this one, and so on, so forth, so on.
I should have probably took up drugs. It would have been cheaper and less frustrating, and probably a whole hell of a lot bad. It wouldn't have been more fun than going fast. I like going fast. If you have ADHD and you get aggravated with one point of the project, you just move to the next one. That's all you got to do. I don't know what he said.
So that is not how this works.
When you've got 9 rivets and one's bothering you, you just move on to the other 8.
Yeah, it's still gonna be there waiting on you.
Go! 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 Please go through! Please go through! I'm so tired! Please go through! Please go through! My arm hurts! Dadgummit! Don't do that. What are you doing?
It's a trust exercise.
I don't trust you. There's no exercise to be here. Give it a tap. I meant to dent it so it'll stay in there. Keep going. Go. High five.
Very nice.
Good boy. Let's go eat. Don't throw that. No, please don't sit there. Yes. You brought one over and then laid tools on the thing.
Yes.
Oil up, Andy. Oil up! Oil! Oil up!
Hey.
You almost hit your head on that, bro. What happened?
I got a bad shoulder.
Do you really? Well, here. This will take that knot out. Put it right there.
They already surgically reconstructed it. So
Yeah,
fucking
well, let's
help
not be a about it. I've had surgery on both my shoulders too, twice.
Well, you're so.
The crazy part about all of this, when it's done, the truck's honestly going to look the same as it did before, but way better. It's going to set lower, ride smoother, and have that stance that we want dialed in way cleaner than before. So yeah, it might not look like a huge transformation at first glance, but everything we're doing right now is what takes it from just lowered to actually done right. And just to catch you up, we already knocked out the front suspension earlier, so this is really the next big step in getting the truck sitting how we want it to sit. Right now, Trey with an A is lining up all the templates, marking everything out so we know exactly where to cut. This part is huge, that's what she said. Because once you start cutting, there ain't no going back.
So the whole pattern is different on the other side. And this one says front, driver's side.
How about the bracket?
The whole alignment is different. Left hand has the drop down. Right hand does not.
Look at that bottom picture.
Okay, so we want that on the outside.
Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, darling, I can't see. I ain't trying to be a bitch, but he's gone now. My back's killing me. I'm hurting. Like, it hurts to sit here. It hurts to stand. I'm hurting. Quit. Can you be an adult for a minute?
Why you get so mad?
This looks way better than that other one. That last C-notch I really think was for a Chevy 1500, and they just made it work. That would be
because it was this much wider than
there's about that much width in between the two frames, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's what it was. Just people just half-assing shit.
It was low, not correctly, but
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Dude, I almost just hit myself in the face with a ball peen hammer. I said, I'm not gonna crash out today. It's Saturday. We're 5 hours into this project, and it looks like we got about 30 minutes worth of work done. And we haven't stopped. You gotta drill more holes?
yeah.
Where?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that side.
Would you say we're just at a stopping point today?
Yeah, because I gotta pull this stuff off and paint this.
Okay. You wanna go get some degreaser real quick? And we'll get this cleaned up and spray it and then knock off for the day?
Didn't get anything done.
Huh?
Didn't get anything done, but yeah.
The hell we didn't. If we didn't get nothing done, why in the hell were we here so long?
We're exactly where we started.
No, not
Just
really.
with less brackets and less rivets. Still have 0 rear suspension mounted to the vehicle.
You did tell me when I asked you, it's like it's about a 2-day thing. It's gonna be about a 2-day thing.
Every bit of that, yeah.
But we're a half a day ahead now.
And the bed was already off. So typically, we gotta take the bed off, the rear suspension off, the fuel tank out, all the brake lines off. And so it takes a lot longer just to get to where we are at today.
Once this C-notch is fully in, we're gonna be able to dial in the rear, give it more travel, and start really pushing the stance. Hey, well, I guess join us next time, because we did not get as far as we wanted to get. But we got as far as we got. That's about all you can ask for. We'll finish up the suspension on the next installment of Project Cream Soda. Make it look exactly like it used to. We'll see you on this one. Thanks for joining us. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, then don't. I don't really care either way, but if you subscribe, subscribe. Say something nice. If you don't, just F off. Don't leave a negative comment. I don't want to hear it. I'll probably just block you. I'm trying to argue with strangers on the internet, and I ain't gonna do it.